What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Favell. In today's video, guys, we do have another price prediction, price update on AMP, which has just about gained a percentage in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, but a lot of you guys have asked me to do an update on this crypto as it has been a while. So that is exactly what we're going to be going through in today's video, and especially that we're coming towards the end of 2022 and heading into 2023. Is AMP a must-have crypto in your wallet? What potential does it have next year? Is it going to pump? Is it going to drop? Or is it going to just stay at its current price range? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and of course looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, so both short-term and long-term predictions. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. As you can see, the market is up just under 2% in the last 24 hours, nothing major, and AMP has gained some value. In the last hour, it has just about dropped a percentage, and over the last day has gained a percentage. Over the week, it has been very volatile. As you can see, it's been up and down all over the place, but overall it has gained just over 2%, and over the month a massive 30% down, which is not looking too good, guys. As you can see, 8th of November, we all know what happened, a major crash in the crypto market. Not just AMP, but Bitcoin went from 20k to 16, nearly hitting 15k as well. So yeah, it was a bad day, and as you can see, it hasn't recovered since. In fact, it's just been getting worse and worse over the last 2.5 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 28% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.9 million in trading, which is still a decent amount of value or money that is being traded. But we can see it's gone down quite a bit, only because not many people are trading it. There hasn't been much change in the value of AMP in the last 24 hours, so there's no real reason as to why people would buy it or why people would sell it, because it hasn't had much impact on the value of AMP. So yeah, most people are just holding on to it, or they're waiting for it to drop or gain value before buying and selling. That is why the trading volume has gone down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing AMP at 0.003360. However, that's the actual value in red, and the average value that is the purple line is 3.003543 cents is where it's trading, is meant to trade at, or it's valued at, but it's trading at slightly lower value, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect AMP to be trading at slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. However, it is going to be a very minimal drop in value, nothing major, potentially down to about 0.00335 to 0.0334 is where I'm expecting it to be trading around. Again, we are going to see green candles as well. It doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles. As you can see, over the last couple of hours, it's been very volatile, a lot of green and red candles mixture, and that is exactly like what's likely to carry on over the next couple of hours as well, but more or less moving towards slightly the negative direction rather than the positive. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking very bearish. As you can see, the blue and the orange line are looking negative, going in a bearish direction, and again, they're not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are once again expected over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we should expect it to more or less drop down to around the 0.0033 or 0.0032 cents. And again, this depends on how the crypto market performs, but again, no major changes are expected. Very minimal drops is what I'm expecting from AMP over the coming days. Now, moving on to the big boy daily chart. Now we have taken a complete U-turn. We've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. I know it's not looking very steep. They are just about slanting, and that is exactly what we want to see. We don't want to see a crypto doing a major increase in value. We want a slow and steady increase in value over the coming weeks, and that is exactly what this graph is showing us. So hopefully guys, by the end of this year, early 2022, so around mid-January 2023, we should expect it to be trading around the 0.0045 cents target, potentially even heading to about 0.005 depending on how it performs, and especially how the crypto market performs. If there are any major crashes, major pumps, this will have a major impact on the value of not just AMP but all cryptos out there, which I will make sure to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on AMP. So what we're going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still not looking too great, guys. We are trading in the lower part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to go for a major increase in value for us to even hit this target of 3 cents. And it is trading at not even, it has to go through a 10 times, guys, meaning over 1,000% increase for it to hit that target, which I'm not expecting from AMP anytime soon. So more or less for the rest of this year and potentially most of next year as well, is very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, heading up to the green zone, we should be good. But for now anyway, it's likely that we are going to be stuck in the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on AMP. I've seen a lot of you guys commenting positive and negative comments around this crypto, saying it's going to crash, it's going to go to zero. Well, it's nearly at zero anyway, but you know what I mean. And others are saying, it's going to hit the 10 cents, 20 cents target, but in 2023. Again, for it to hit that, is going to have to go for a major increase, which I'm not expecting. But again, the 1 cent target is what we need to focus on first, and then we can focus on 5, 10, 15, 20 cents or whatever it is. But yeah, hopefully 2023 is the year, not just for AMP but the whole crypto market in general. As you guys know, 2022 has not been too great. Major crashes, drops, Bitcoin going from 60k all the way down to 16k right now. So yeah, it hasn't been too great, but again, I'll keep these videos coming for you guys, keep coming with predictions and price updates and so on like you guys have requested. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick update on AMP. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting. I'm just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.